This is mine.
That's it.
In 2012, she told me that her dad had this old truck, wanted us to redo it, and it was beyond repair. It was just really bad. I said, you can buy a nice truck for what we would have in this to fix this. So I said a couple years, and we didn't do anything with it, talked about it, didn't do nothing with it. So she finally got him convinced that we weren't gonna do anything with it. A couple years ago, I guess, she wanted me to try to just make it run the way it was in the state that it was and get it running again, so at least he could drive it. So we were gonna make the inside nice, get it running and driving, leave the outside like it used to be. I got it to my house and it was just, there was nothing even to bolt the seat to. It was just gone. About 2 months of begging her to, let's make it nice. Let's fix it for him. Let's do it. She finally said, okay. So we started on it. And then the way that I do things, I get out of control, So how nice do you want it? How do you want it to look? What are we doing? So a year and 7 months I worked on it. So
How many total hours do you think?
almost 1,200.
Hey, Sweena, they just pulled on 32. There she is. They're here. They're here. They're here.
There's my Annie girl.
Kim, how you doing?
It's growing up fast.
How you doing?
Good to see you. You too.
Like you're hungry.
I am. I don't know if I
Have you been
do.
throwing?
No.
You told me you was.
Well, I started going to
Are you gonna drink a beer?
I might drink a beer. But I had 338.
What's that? Pretty clean truck. At least if that ain't that old blue stuff.
Seen the paint on them half the time.
Do you know what this is right here?
No?
You ever seen one look like that?
What the heck?
What's that say right there? See how that speaks to him?
This is mine.
That's it.
Well, could you buff the inside of the doors a little more? Woo! Philo!
So when I told you it was too rough to fix, it was really too rough to fix, but
Philo was?
anything's fixed.
That is Philo then, right?
That's follow.
That's
I got proof.
Yeah, we got a
I
photo.
got evidence.
Wait till you see the photo.
That is Philo.
That's it.
Wait till you see the photo album. How He had to spend over, what, 200 hours just on the cab to save it.
Hey,
Now that you know it's yours, what do you think?
Oh my God, it's still just unbelievable. You know, it's just something that nice. That truck is nicer than what it was when it come out of the Chevrolet dealership in '64. Well, when I seen that Philo written on that brake drum, that's when it started clicking.
Who was once a bull-hooking son of a gun? Now who keeps a pike hid out behind shoes?